Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Bullx. And it's really easy and simple guys, so follow this guide step by step. So first things first, of course, you want to open up your Phantom Wallet and log in, right? So you just launch the Phantom Wallet app on your device or access it via the browser extension if you have that. And make sure you logged in with your credentials, and then you want to go ahead and visit the Bullx website or app. So navigate to the Bullx platform using your browser or open the Bullx app. And ensure that you're actually on the official Bullx website to protect your assets, okay? And then on the Bullx platform, you want to locate the Connect Wallet button. You'll typically find this in the top right hand corner of the interface. And then you want to click on it and then select Phantom Wallet, okay, from the list of supported wallets. And then what will happen is a pop-up will appear so in your Phantom Wallet, and then you want to review the requested permissions carefully and click on Approve to authorize the connection. And once approved, guys, your Phantom Wallet address will appear on Bullx, basically confirming the successful connection. And now, guys, you are ready to use Bullx with your Phantom Wallet. So I hope this video provided value to you, and if it did, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.